Good morning everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to solve some multiple choice question related with eigenvalue and eigenvector. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about how to solve multiple choice questions on eigenvalue and eigenvector very quickly. Okay, first of all let me read the first questions. Okay, here the question is the number of the distinct eigenvalue. Here the question is number of the distinct eigenvalue for this matrix. Here a matrix A is given. Here we have to just find out the number of the distinct eigenvalues for this matrix A, and here four options are given. Okay, and let's observe on this matrix A. It is a square matrix of the size 4 by 4 here, and this is the main diagonal, or we can say this is the principal diagonal for this matrix A. This is principal diagonal, and here a triangle is formed. Here we can see that, we can easily see that a triangle is formed in the upper part of this principal diagonal. So this matrix is basically called as upper triangular matrix. It is triangular matrix here because a triangle is formed in the upper section of this matrix A. Upper section of the main diagonal. Okay, here a triangle is formed in the upper part of the main diagonal, so this matrix A is called as the upper triangular matrix. And we have one very important property there. Okay, here is the property for the triangular matrix. For any triangular matrix, either upper triangular or lower triangular, for triangular matrix, the principal diagonal elements, the elements situated in the principal diagonals will be the eigenvalues. And here we can see that in this matrix the elements in the principal diagonals are 2. One element is 2, next one is 1, and next one is 3. These are the elements in the principal diagonal, in the main diagonal. So these elements will be the eigenvalues for this matrix A. We can easily find out the eigenvalues for the triangular matrix. In case of triangular matrix, the elements in the principal diagonal will be the eigenvalues. So these elements 2, 1, 3, and again 2. These elements will be the eigenvalues. But here question is about the distinct eigenvalues. How many distinct? We have to count the number of the distinct. Okay, so here are only 3 eigenvalues, distinct eigenvalues. One is 1, next one is 2, and the next one is 3. 1, 2, and 3 are the distinct eigenvalues for this matrix A. So the option B is the correct answer for this multiple choice question. Okay, please remember one very important property in the triangular matrix. The principal diagonal elements will be the eigenvalues. Okay, let's solve the next questions. Let me just go ahead. Okay, here the next question is also related with the eigenvalues and eigenvector. Okay, let's solve this question. Here the question is a matrix M is 2 by 2 square matrix with the eigenvalues 4 and 9. Here for this matrix M, the eigenvalues are given 4 and 9. We have to find out the eigenvalues for this matrix M square. Okay, and we have one very important property in the power of the matrix in the eigenvalues case. Okay, the property states that, here is a property I have written. If lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, and so on to lambda n are the eigenvalues for the matrix A. If these are the eigenvalues for this matrix A, then for the matrix A to the power any power, A to the A raised to the power any number for this matrix, we have very easy way to calculate the eigenvalue. Just raising the same power, m to each eigenvalues. So lambda 1 to the power m, lambda 2 to the power m, lambda 3 to the power m, and so on to lambda n to the power m will be the eigenvalues for this matrix A to the power m. Very easy to calculate the eigenvalues for the power of the original matrix. Okay, just giving the same power to the eigenvalues. Here we have just find out the eigenvalues for this matrix M square. So we have to give the power to each elements of the eigenvalues. So the eigenvalues for this matrix M square will be just 4 square and 9 square. Okay, here. So the eigenvalues for M square will be just 4 square and 9 square, just giving the same power to each eigenvalue of M. Okay, and here the 4 square will be 16 and M square, sorry, 9 square will be 18. So 16 and the 18 will be the eigenvalues for M square. So the option D is the correct answer for this multiple choice question. Very easy to calculate the eigenvalues for the power of to any power of matrix. Okay, in our next video we will discuss more about such multiple choice questions related with eigenvalue and eigenvector. So please keep watching, keep loving this channel, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. This much for today. Thank you all of you.